In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all emails over a certain age in Outlook. We'll cover a quick manual cleanup that works in any version of Outlook, and an automated option available in the classic desktop app. By the end, you'll know how to clear out old messages safely and efficiently. First, let's do a one-time manual cleanup. Open Outlook and go to your inbox or any specific folder you want to clean. In the search bar at the top, type Received, Fei 2000, 1000. For example, Received Fei December 31st. 2025 will show all emails older than December 30. 2025. This filter looks for messages received before the date you enter. So pick a cutoff that makes sense for your needs. Give Outlook a moment to gather results, then review what appears to make sure you are only targeting messages you no longer need. When you are confident, select everything in the results. Click one email to focus the list. Then press Ctrl-A on Windows or Cmd+A on a Mac to highlight them all. Press Delete, or click the trash icon. Those messages move to the Deleted Items folder, which gives you a safety net in case you change your mind. If you want to clear that space immediately and remove those emails permanently, right-click the Deleted Items folder and choose Empty Folder. Only do this when you've double-checked the results, because emptying the folder permanently removes those messages. If you make a mistake, you can restore items from deleted items within 30 days, as long as you haven't emptied the folder. Now, if you'd rather automate this cleanup in the classic Outlook desktop app, you can use Auto Archive. Go to File, then Options, and select Advanced. Click Auto Archive Settings. Here, choose how often Auto Archive runs and under Clean Out Items Older Than. Select the age threshold, such as 6 months. This tells Outlook to target items older than that period. If you want old items removed without passing through deleted items, choose Permanently Delete Old Items, then click OK to save. Use this setting carefully. Permanently deleting means here is no second chance in the deleted items folder. If you prefer an extra review step, don't enable permanent deletion and instead review the Auto Archive results before final removal. That's it. Thanks for watching.